Hello friends, I am Sparsha. Hope all of you are in good health and mind. I started this channel just casually to keep record of my gardening activity, but within a short time your love and appreciation grew the channel and our family is expanding rapidly. I'm feeling very happy and also feel the responsibility to maintain the quality of the channel. So friends, if you have any suggestion about how the channel can be improved, please let me know into the comment box. Those who of us are using organic manure solely for our gardening face a difficulty at times because usually the organic manure acts slowly, and if by any chance plant need any nutrient fast to compensate the deficiency, we need to think about the chemical fertilizer. Is it really necessary? Are there any organic alternative available? Let us see in this video. I'll mention 3 organic manures in this video. They act like chemical fertilizers when applied and give result very fast. But for this reason, we have to be very careful about their doses, as excess of these will damage the plant just like chemical fertilizers. The first manure in this series is blood meal. This blood meal manure is manufactured by drying and processing different animal blood collected from slaughterhouse. The NPK ratio of this manure is 12:1.5:0.5, means this manure is very high in nitrogen content. In fact, if anyone wants to supply nitrogen through organic way, this is the fastest method. But as I said earlier, we have to be very careful and cautious and should not use it unnecessarily. But if there is definite deficiency of nitrogen, we can add blood meal about 1 tablespoonful for a 10 to 12 inch container. And you can see improvement in 1 or 2 weeks. Though blood meal contains 0.25% iron, but it is not advisable to apply this nitrogen rich manure to correct iron deficiency. Second manure which I'll tell now is fish manure. After extracting the oil from the fish waste, it is dried and processed to make this manure. Usually 4 to 5 ton of fish waste make 1 ton of fish manure. The NPK value usually is about 5:2:2, but it may vary by manufacturing process of different companies. This manure is also a fast acting similar to blood meal, but here we get, apart from nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium and some potassium too. Next is poultry manure. All the poultry waste mixed with dry leaves and other organic matter is processed after adding beneficial bacteria to it to make this manure. NPK value of this manure is 4:3:3. This too can be used in a dose of 1 tablespoonful for a 10 to 12 inch pot to supply the necessary nutrition for your plant in emergency. Now, as I promised, the bonus tips. Apart from these 3 manures, the other organic manure which we are also using regularly, like vermicompost, all the seed residues after extraction of oils like mustard cake, neem cake, groundnut cake, etc., can be converted into a fast acting fertilizer. For that, we need to soak them overnight or 24 hours in water and then apply this water after diluting to our plants. They act very fast. And we can use the remaining portion of the seed to the soil as usual fertilizer, which will continue to supply nutrition slowly. The extract we make with vermicompost in this way has a nice name and it is called compost tea. So friends, in this video we have learned that it is not always necessary to jump to chemical fertilizer for fast result. There are organic alternatives too, which will save our soil and environment. If you have found this video useful, press the like button and share it with your friends who need this information. Consider subscribing this channel to be a member of this family. Be safe and healthy, and happy gardening, friends.